Car video systems help small families monitor kids, enhance safety, document trips, and provide reliable evidence during unexpected road incidents. NY Today's video is about top 5 best car video for small families that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Navy Crest 4K dash cam front and rear, the Navy Crest Q7 dash cam delivers a major upgrade with its new 4K plus 1080p resolution, offering crystal clear front and rear recording for complete road coverage. Powered by a Sony IMX sensor and a 6-glass lens system, the video quality is impressively sharp in both daylight and low-light conditions. The wide dynamic range technology ensures balanced exposure, making license plates and road details easy to capture. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi is a standout feature, providing faster downloads and seamless app control. You can instantly view live footage, adjust settings, and download or share videos directly from your phone. The included 64GB card makes setup simple, just plug and play. For added security, the 24/7 parking mode, with optional hardware kit, offers collision detection and time-lapse recording. Loop recording and a sensitive G-sensor ensure critical footage is locked and protected. Compact and discreet, the Q7 is easy to install and won't block your view. Backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, it's a reliable choice for everyday driving protection. Now our second product is iWi Channel Dash Cam front and rear. The iWi N7 3-channel dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers who want full coverage and premium video quality. With 3K front, 1080p interior, and 1080p rear recording, it captures every angle of your journey. The wide 170 degrees front and rear lenses plus the 150 degrees interior view minimize blind spots, making it ideal for families, commuters, and rideshare drivers. In dual mode, the front camera delivers stunning 4K clarity, clearly capturing license plates and road signs. Powered by a Sony Starvis sensor with HDR/WDR technology, night footage is impressively sharp. The interior camera's 180 degrees rotatable lens and built-in IR lights provide reliable black and white night vision, perfect as an Uber or taxi camera. The 5G Wi-Fi ensures fast downloads and smooth app control without subscription requirements. Loop recording and a 3-axis G-sensor protect important footage, while the included 128GB industrial U3 SD card offers generous storage right out of the box. With 24-hour parking mode, hardware kit required, and a durable supercapacitor built for extreme temperatures, the N7 is reliable, powerful, and easy to install. Our third product is Taransui Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. The Taransui 4K dual dash cam delivers outstanding clarity and full road protection with true 4K, 3840x2160p, recording on both the front and rear cameras. The 170 degrees ultra-wide front lens easily covers multi-lane highways, capturing sharp details like license plates and traffic signs. With a pre-installed 128GB card and support up to 512GB, it's ready to use straight out of the box. Its Super Starlight night vision, enhanced by WDR technology and large f1.5 front and f1.8 rear apertures, ensures bright and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. The built-in G-sensor automatically locks collision videos, while the manual lock button adds extra security. The dual-band 5.8 GHz per 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi provides fast downloads and smooth app control, letting you view, manage, and share videos instantly. Built-in GPS records speed and routes for added evidence. With 24-hour parking mode, hardware kit required, easy installation, and an 18-month warranty, this dash cam is a reliable and feature-packed choice for everyday driving confidence. Now number 4, Tux's Channel Dash Cam for car. The Tux's J13 3-channel dash cam is a reliable all-in-one solution for complete driving protection. With 4K front, 1080p interior, and 1080p rear recording, it captures sharp details like license plates and road conditions from every angle. The wide 170 degrees front and 120 degrees interior and rear lenses reduce blind spots, making it ideal for daily commutes, family trips, or rideshare driving. Equipped with fast 5G Wi-Fi, the J13 connects smoothly to the Viger app, allowing real-time viewing, quick downloads, up to 8 megabytes per second, and easy sharing without needing a VIP subscription for core features. The included 64GB SD card supports seamless loop recording, while emergency locked videos triggered by the G sensor stay protected. Additional features like WDR, IR night vision, time-lapse, parking mode, hardware kit required, and support for up to 256GB storage make it highly versatile. Easy to use and backed by a 1-year warranty with responsive support, the J13 offers excellent value and dependable performance for everyday driving security. And our last choice is Piager dash camera for cars. The Starvis 2 triple-channel dash cam is built for drivers who want dependable, high-quality coverage in every situation. Powered by an advanced Starvis 2 sensor with WDR, it delivers impressively clear footage day and night. The large f1.5 front, f1.8 rear, and f2.0 cabin apertures capture sharp low-light details, while 4 IR lights ensure the interior camera records clear cabin video even during evening rides. With UHD 4K front, 2K rear, and 1080p cabin recording, it provides near 360-degree visibility, perfect for daily commutes, school runs, and busy city driving. Built-in GPS logs real-time speed, route, and location on the 3-inch IPS screen, making trip playback and insurance documentation simple and accurate. The included 128GB microSD card supports seamless loop recording, and the G sensor automatically locks important collision footage. Parking mode with time-lapse recording, hardware kit required, adds extra security when your car is unattended. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 enables fast app access for viewing and sharing clips instantly. With a durable supercapacitor and extended warranty support, this dash cam is a reliable companion for everyday and long-distance driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.